Hello everyone, how are you? So in this video, I will talk about some of the most weighted topics in the NMET examination, topics that have the highest weightage, and those are the most important topics when considering the NMET examination. So let's start, and these topics are the must-do topics. You cannot afford to miss any of these topics because NMET is a speed-based exam, but it is also important to cover all the major topics so that you can quickly do the questions and move forward and score high on the paper. So let's start. So first of all, let's start with the LR section or the logical reasoning section. Now in the LR section, there are various topics, but these topics are the most important ones which have the most weightage in the NMET exam, and those are statement and conclusion, statement and inference, course of action, strengthening questions, strengthening a statement questions, and assumptions questions, argument questions, statement and argument questions, and also input output is a very important topic when considering the LR section of NMET exam, because there are various questions from this topic each year. Okay, so these are the most important topics in the LR section. You can see the full syllabus of this section from the screenshot that I will attach here, but the topics that I talked about are the most asked topics, so you cannot afford to miss these topics. If you have NMET earlier or before CAT, then you should definitely focus on these topics to score high. Okay, now let's move to the another section, and that is the VRC section. So in VRC, you know that there will be RCs, and there will be around 12 questions from RC portion, and then there will be analogies questions, then there will be PJ questions or parajumper questions, about 5 to 6 parajumper questions, and error and omission questions like 4 to 5 error questions, and FIB questions, fill in the blank questions. So they will also be 4 to 5 in number, and then there also be proposition questions. Okay, so these are the most important topics for VRC portion. Okay, now let's move to the quant section, and in quant section the most important topic is PNC and also probability, because each year there are 3 to 4 questions from PNC and probability, and you cannot think of clearing the cutoff of quant section without covering PNC and probability. So in case you have not covered PNC and probability, please cover PNC and probability to score high in the section and to be confident. And other than that, there are questions from APGP HP, 2 to 3 questions each year from APGP HP, so that is an important topic too. Then there are around 2 to 3 log questions, and number system questions, about 3 to 4 number system questions, and also there are 2 DI sets, so basically 8 questions of DI, and those can be related to pie charts or any tables, so you can cover those topics too. And other than that, there are arithmetic questions, so all the topics from arithmetic, it will consist of 7 to 8 questions, and also there are algebra questions, around 2 to 3 algebra questions other than log and AP, and then there are rest of the topics. So these were the most important topics from the quant section, so focus on these topics, and all the best for your exam. I hope you do very well, and in case you have the exam before CAT, then let me know, and let me know which date you have the exam on. And I hope you have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, if you found this helpful, then please like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.